Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Areca palm cure, how to grow and maintain Areca palm plants indoor and outdoor. Areca palm is one of the most widely used palms for bright interiors. It features arching fronts, each with up to 100 leaflets. These big, bold plants command attention. Areca palm is one of the few plants that can tolerate trimming without serious harm, making it possible to keep mature plants indoor for their full lifespan of up to 10 years. Care: water them often enough to keep the soil lightly moist in spring and summer, and allow the soil to dry slightly between watering in fall and winter. Fertilize the Areca palm plant. You can use a liquid house plant fertilizer that contains micronutrients for this purpose. Do not feed Areca palm plant in fall and winter. Reporting: Areca palm houseplants need repotting every 2 or 3 years. The plant likes a tight container and crowded roots helps limit the size of the plant. The main reason for repotting is to replace the aged potting soil and remove fertilizer, salt deposit that build up in the soil and on the sides of the pot. Light: outdoor, these plants like bright filtered sunlight, but these also can tolerate full sun. Ideally, they should have protection from strong afternoon sun, as too severe of light can scorch the foliage. Indoors, Areca palm do best with bright light exposure from south or west facing window. When grown outdoors, it is important to start an Areca palm off right in a planting site that has a good drainage. Soggy soil can easily cause root rot on a palm. As a houseplant, a well drainage container is essential. Soil: for potted indoors planting, a well draining potting mix is perfect in a pot with drainage holes. Propagation: propagating Areca palm. You can propagate Areca palm by root division, which will grow a lush plant faster than from the seed. But you will not be successful doing so with cuttings. Root division can be done at any time during the year, but the plant will be strongest in the spring. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like and enjoy the video. If you find it informative, you subscribe to my channel, share with family, friends and relatives, and also press the bell notification so that you get the new videos. Thank you friends, thanks for watching. Thank you.